It's about time to replace your HyperX Cloud ear pads, but you don't know how? Well, I'm here to show you. Hey everyone, this is Or from Wicked Cushions with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your ear pads on your HyperX headphones. In this video, I'm going to be using the HyperX Cloud 2, but this tutorial is going to apply for all of the models you're going to see scrolling on the screen right now. I've already made this video about a year ago, but I still see in the comments people struggling with replacing the ear pads. So I'm going to try and make this video a little bit more clearer. I do have one warning. The HyperX ear pads are a little annoying to replace. You might want to break your headphones in the middle, but trust me, it is definitely possible. So let me stop talking and let's go into the video. Okay, so for the first step, which is going to be the easiest, we are going to remove the old ear pads. You simply have to pull out the ear pads from the side and you are going to pull them to the other side. So you hold it like this and then you are going to just pull them out. As you can see, the way that the ear pads are attached is by inserting the backside flap right here into the groove that is located on the headphones all across the ear cup right here. Now, the thing that makes the installation so annoying and so complicated with the HyperX headphones is that they make the groove very, very shallow and very narrow. Now, this is not special with HyperX. Most headphones use this groove and flap way of installation, but HyperX is the one that makes it so shallow and so narrow, and this is why it's really annoying to put these ear pads back on. But now I'm going to show you how to put them back on. I'll do the originals on one side, and then I'll do our red camo upgraded ear pads on the other. Alright, so I'm going to start with one side, and I'm going to use the red camo ear pads. So what you want to do is you want to get the top side of the flap into the groove, and then once it's in, you're just basically going to slide it like this. You want to hold it and never let go once you try to get the rest of it inside. So once you hold it with your other hand, you want to take your fingers and you want to stretch the flap. And as you can see, I released the hand, but I'm still keeping it with this one. And you want to continue to go around and stretch it into the groove. And once you stretch it, never let it go, otherwise it will slip immediately. And as you can see, all of it is inside. Now what you want to do is you want to grab a card, like a credit card, or in my case, a Dave & Buster's card. Once a gamer, always a gamer. And you want to insert the flap more inside by just pushing it inside the gap. After you're done, just give it a quick shuffle. Once you bring it back and forth like this, it will go even deeper. And that's it. One side is done. As you can see, it's firmly in place. Everything is inside. Now, I'll do the same thing with the originals. Again, the thing that makes this very difficult for most people is that they are afraid to stretch the ear pad. The ear pad is very flexible, even the originals and even our upgraded ones. It's very flexible, so don't be afraid to stretch it. If you don't stretch it, this is going to be a nightmare. So the same thing, I'm going to get the flap inside the gap right here. Going to hold on it, and then I'm going to insert the rest. Always keep a finger or a hand keeping the flap inside. going to do the same thing with the card. That is pretty much it. I understand that I might have made it look a little bit easier than it is. It's only because I've tried it 100 times before, but don't worry, you can do it as well. By the way, if you want to try our upgraded gaming ear pads, we are giving away a 30% off coupon. Simply click the link in the top right corner right now. Our upgraded gaming ear pads, as you can see, are much thicker than the originals. They have a bigger opening as well, and they're very sexy. I hope that this video was helpful. I know that this can get quite annoying, but hopefully I made this video a lot more clearer than the first one. If you enjoyed this video and it was helpful, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel, as we'll release more videos like this every month. And I will see you in the next video.